Every culture has its way of preserving wisdom. In Africa, we carry it through Proverbs. These short poetic sayings hold generations of truth passed down from our ancestors to remind us who we are and how to live with purpose. Today, on Twitch Trace, we explore African proverbs that speak deeply to the heart of South Sudanese life. Wisdom born from the cattle camps, the rivers, the fields, and the struggles that shaped our people. A tree cannot stand without its roots, meaning a person's strength comes from their foundation, their family, culture, and homeland. Just as a tree draws life from the soil beneath it, we draw identity from where we come from. When we forget our roots, we lose our direction. But when we honor them, even storms cannot bring us down. In South Sudanese life, our elders, ancestors, and communities are those roots. Without them, there is no us. The river may dry, but it never forgets its path. Meaning, hardship may slow your journey, but destiny remembers its way. Even when drought silences the riverbed, the memory of flow remains, waiting for the rain. This speaks to the resilience of our people through war, displacement, and loss. No matter how far we go or how long we struggle, we always find our way home. When the drumbeat changes, the dance must also change. Meaning, life never stays still. Seasons change, challenges arise, and the wise learn to move with them. This proverb reminds us that survival depends on adaptability, whether in farming, leadership, or family life. It's a call to stay alert and flexible, just like our ancestors who adjusted to every rhythm life brought their way. A cow does not forget the one who fed it during drought. Meaning, gratitude defines character. In Dinka and other Nilotic traditions, cattle are life. They represent wealth, respect, and survival. This saying teaches that we must never forget kindness, especially when it came in our darkest hour. To remember those who stood by us is to keep our humanity alive. Even the tallest tree was once a small seed, meaning greatness begins quietly. Every leader, every achiever, every dreamer starts small, with uncertainty and hope. This proverb encourages patience and persistence, reminding us that progress takes time. Just as a seed endures darkness before it grows toward the sun, our beginnings may be humble, but they carry greatness within. A hyena cannot smell its own stench, meaning it's easy to see the faults of others and ignore our own. This saying, often shared with humor, reminds us to reflect inward before judging anyone else. Communities fall apart when people spend time criticizing instead of correcting themselves. True wisdom begins with self-awareness. Wisdom is like fire. People take it from others. Meaning, knowledge is not born alone. It is shared and passed from one person to another. Just as a flame lights another without losing its brightness, wisdom grows stronger when it's shared. This speaks to the value of mentorship, storytelling, and community learning, a tradition deeply rooted in South Sudanese life. Rain does not fall on one roof alone, meaning when blessings come, they touch many. When challenges arrive, they affect us all. This proverb reminds us of our interconnectedness, that in joy and in struggle, no one stands completely alone. It is a gentle reminder of empathy, especially in times when division tempts us to forget our shared humanity. You cannot hide smoke if the fire is still burning, meaning the truth cannot stay hidden forever. Just like smoke rises from a hidden flame, actions, good or bad, will eventually be revealed. This saying encourages honesty, transparency, and integrity in both personal and public life. It's a timeless warning that deception burns everything it touches. When two elephants fight, the grass suffers. Meaning, when those in power clash, it is the ordinary people who feel the pain. This proverb captures the reality of conflict, whether in politics, family disputes, or community feuds. It's a call for wisdom in leadership and unity among those who guide others, because every fight at the top leaves scars below. A spear thrown in anger misses the target, meaning anger blinds judgment. When emotions rule, even the strongest hand fails. This teaches self-control, a lesson vital for peace, patience, and leadership. In a land where tempers and pride can easily ignite, this wisdom is a reminder that calm minds build stronger futures. The child who is not embraced by the village will burn it down to feel its warmth. Meaning, neglect breeds destruction. When a community abandons its youth, it risks its own survival. This proverb is a mirror to our modern world, urging us to guide, love, and include young people so that they grow with purpose, not anger. A village that embraces its children secures its tomorrow. Even the lion needs rest under the tree, meaning no matter how powerful you are, you still need peace, reflection, and rest. This saying encourages balance. Strength must be matched with humility and rest. For those who lead, it's a reminder that rest is not weakness, it's renewal. A bird that remembers where it came from never gets lost, meaning our roots guide our journey. Just like a bird that can always find its way back to its nest, a person grounded in culture and values can never truly lose direction. This resonates deeply with the South Sudanese diaspora. Wherever we go, our homeland beats in our hearts. These proverbs are not just words, they are echoes of wisdom carried through generations. In them, we find the strength to remember our roots, to live with gratitude, and to walk wisely through change. From Twitch Mayadit to every corner of South Sudan and beyond, may these words remind us that the wisdom of our ancestors still speaks, if only we listen. Don't forget to subscribe to Twitch Trace for more stories, reflections, and cultural voices that keep our heritage alive. Until then, see you on the next one.